Hi, I'm Karen Harrison from the Young Living Dream Builders, here to talk to you today about frankincense oil. Frankincense oil was considered the holy anointing oil, and it's the oil that was given to Jesus. It's been used in religious ceremonies for thousands of years. It's great to inspire a sense of meditation. You can diffuse it, you can place it on your skin. For meditation, you might want to place some on your forehead, the top of your head, behind your ears, the back of your neck, here in your neck. That would be another great place to put it. You can also put a drop in the palm of your hands, rub your hands together and inhale. Frankincense is very grounding and calming and may help to uplift your emotions and just help you to feel good, help you to concentrate and focus. It's also good to help with your skin. At night, I like to use the Boswellia wrinkle cream. So one of the primary ingredients in that is frankincense. That's the name of the species, Boswellia. Don't know if I said that right, but anyway, I add a few drops of this to my cream and to smooth it all over my face at night to help give my skin some extra boost and support to keep my skin looking young. There's also frankincense vitality. This one supports your well-being and normal cell health. You can take a couple of drops in a veggie capsule or simply put it in a glass of water and add stevia to it if you want to make it a little bit sweeter. Frankincense is an amazing oil that has so many benefits. Do a little search and find out all the different uses for frankincense oil. See you next time.